So I've been using this SIM card for about 1 week now. This is No Roaming. Now, if you guys haven't heard of No Roaming, do a quick Google search. They're basically a SIM card. It's basically a pay-as-you-go phone company. But what's special about this company is they do offer unlimited WhatsApp. So as long as you have credit within your account, you could essentially use WhatsApp unlimited. So you can make calls, you can send picture messages, you can send unlimited amount of messages with WhatsApp. So let me tell you a little bit about No Roaming. So No Roaming works with iOS and Android as of now, as you can see here in the back there. You have the Google Play Store and you have the App Store. It works in over 200 countries, and you do have the unlimited WhatsApp in about 80 countries if I'm not mistaken. So you can go anywhere and you can use WhatsApp. Right now I'm in Toronto, and I'm under the Bell. It's using the Bell cell tower. So I put the SIM card in my iPhone 4S that has iOS 9.1 or something. Now, something to note with this quickly is that you need to have iOS 8 or above. If you don't have iOS 8 or above, then it will not work with your phone. Another thing is your phone needs to be unlocked. So I got this unlocked. This used to be a Rogers phone. I got it unlocked, and now it works with this SIM card. I've been walking around with it, and I get pretty good signal bars, except for when I'm indoors, but that could be because of Bell, maybe the area that I'm in. But the service is uninterrupted, service is good. Again, it's unlimited WhatsApp, so you can't go on Safari and start searching stuff and watching YouTube videos. It's limited to WhatsApp. It works only with unlimited WhatsApp. Now, they do have special data rates for $7.99 a day, unlimited data in 90 countries. In terms of rates, call rates and stuff like that, I'm not too sure if they're the cheapest rates. I know that when I'm usually in the United States, I just use T-Mobile, or I go ahead and use H2O Mobile. Those are my two favorite ones. But in terms of this, with free unlimited WhatsApp, especially now that you have calling and video calling with WhatsApp and you have picture messages and everything, then you can't really go wrong with this. So the SIM itself costs $9.99, and they have two versions of the SIM card. So you can either put it on your pre-existing SIM card that's in your iPhone, as long as it's unlocked. Again, your iPhone needs to be unlocked, your Android device needs to be unlocked. So there's a sticker version that you stick onto your regular SIM card. So it's a SIM sticker. I guess it has some extra contacts on there. I'm not really sure how it works. Or you can get the regular SIM card, and that's cheaper. That's $9.99. And the sticker SIM card costs $29.99 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna go show you quickly. So the SIM card looks like that. It's a regular SIM. I put it into my phone. It comes with the expandable card, so whichever one that you need. If you need micro or the really, really small ones, it just pops out into that thing. I'll just show you guys quickly. So it comes in one of these things and it pops out. This is not the actual SIM. The SIM is right now is in my phone, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea. So far so good. I've been using it for quite a bit, 1 week now. And I've been messaging back and forth. No issues, nothing dropped. The only thing is video calling is a little bit slow. But other than that, this thing works pretty well, and I definitely do recommend you taking a look at it. For only $9.99, you can't really go wrong. So it's actually pretty simple to set up once you get this thing. You pretty much install an app called No Roaming. I'm just going to try to get that to zoom for you guys. So as you can see there, you install the app No Roaming, then you go in there, and they gave me two numbers in there. They gave me a US number, and they gave me a British number, or a number for England. Now, these two numbers I can essentially use as my own numbers. I chose to use the US number, so that is currently in effect. And once you choose your number, you go ahead and you activate the SIM card. Now, you activate it, you type in, the SIM card comes with a scratch thing on the side here. I don't want to show you mine. I'm gonna halfway cover it, but you sort of scratch that off right there to reveal a registration number, and you go ahead and you type that into the app to register your phone. And then you download local settings into your iOS device. You download these settings, the carrier settings, and it installs it into, let me show you quickly, it installs it into your cellular. So it installs it as a profile in the profile section. I'm using right now the iPhone 4S. It might be different on your phone, but it installs a profile in there for No Roaming. And once you do that, you turn on roaming, and you turn on your cellular data. And then you just deactivate it for the apps that you're not going to be using it with. And that's pretty much it. Once you have that set up, it's going to send you an activation number, which you have to confirm. You basically type it in your phone and it confirms, and then you pretty much can use WhatsApp. Now I'm making this sound a little bit more complicated than it is, but it does comes with this whole thing of instructions that you quickly read. If you guys did want me to get into how to actually set it up, I will make another video depending on the interest of this video. So if this video does get a bunch of likes, then I definitely will make a video on that if you guys are interested in seeing how to set it up. So far so good. Definitely recommend it for $9.99. That's pretty cheap. So another thing to mention is that you will need to have credit in order to use the unlimited WhatsApp. So say you do purchase a SIM card and you did want free credit with that SIM card. If you go at the end of the page after purchasing it, it will ask you to refer it or share it with your social networks. And if you do share it with your social networks, you do get $5. Plus you do get $5 for signing up in the first place. That's at least what happened with me when I signed up with it. So right now I have $10 on the credit, and that will expire within 15 months. Definitely go ahead and look at it. I will post a link to the website in the description of this video. Anyway, check it out. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. That is going to be it for this video. If you guys did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.